Hello, everyone. I hope that you're having a good week. And I hope that you paid attention to the first two videos that you watched because now we're going to be talking about your final project. Okay? This is your final exam, your final test. Okay? But it is not a test, it is a project. Okay? It's a video project just like you've done earlier in the semester. Okay? So this should be easier for you to do. So let's get started. Okay. Uh, in your final project, okay, you're going to get a paper with this photo of this man. Okay? This man will have an important job interview. And you will have to describe what is wrong with his fashion. And you will have to give him advice on how to prepare for a job interview. Okay? We learned all about giving advice. Now you will do it in a video. So you should think about what should he wear, what should he do to prepare. So the most important word here to look at is should. Okay? It is a word that we use for giving advice. And you know that now. So this is what you will do. Okay, now we're going to talk about the details of our project. Okay, so this is a video project, very similar to the projects that we did before in the semester. Okay, like your language task 1 and 2, very similar to those projects. Your video must be 1 to 2 minutes long. Okay, so it's not very long, don't worry, okay, but please longer than 1 minute. This video is worth 10% of your grade, okay, 10%, and it's due Friday, not Sunday, Friday, June 26th, okay? This is very important. Friday. Remember to use body language such as gestures and eye contact. Okay? Very important. Use some gestures. Use your hand and talk, but make some gestures when you're talking. Okay? Have good posture. Okay? That means sit up. Don't cover your face. It's very important. And you can use some pictures in your video if you want to show examples of good fashion for job interviews. And this will be more interesting. All right. So we talked about the details. Now we will talk about the rules. And this means we will talk about what to do and what not to do. Okay? Good things and bad things. All right. You are going to use this box in your project. This is in your book. Okay? We've used this many times now. And we learned about this, and we reviewed about this, okay? And this is giving advice, okay? Use advice phrases, right? Like you could, or you should, or you ought to, okay? You'd better, or you had better. Don't forget you can use not to say that someone is doing something wrong, right? You should not. Mo, mo, mo. Okay. So, when you are speaking, it's very important to speak smoothly and naturally. So, here's a tip. Remember to pause between thought groups. Okay? Well, what is a pause? Okay? A pause is some sort of maybe hesitation. Okay? Slow your speech like this. Ready? Listen. In my opinion, he ought to wear a suit. It is important to look professional in an interview. That I paused several times, 2 times, and that means that my speaking is smooth. It's very smooth. So pausing is very important when you are speaking. That is my speaking tip for you. Okay, we're going to talk about eye contact a little bit. Some students don't like to look at the camera. Okay, you should look at the camera. It's very important. Okay, don't do this. Okay, if you have a paper, don't just look at your paper. Okay, that is not good. That is not okay. So don't do that. Don't look away from the camera. Okay? Yeah. Don't hold your paper in front of your mouth. Okay, that's not good. I need to see your mouth. That is very important. Okay? And don't hold your paper far away. Don't look down, okay? Eye contact. It means look at the camera. Okay? Look at the camera when you are speaking. You can use some note cards or your script, but don't read. Okay? Try to remember your script. Right? So here we have a baby, and she is reading, but this is bad. Okay? Don't do this in your video. You need to try to remember your script. Another tip that I will give you is be energetic. What is energetic? Energetic means to have energy. Okay, you want to speak with feeling. Okay? So if we have this sentence here, and we can read it 2 ways. We can have good energy or bad energy, not good energy. So we will try not good energy. Ready? In my opinion, he ought to wear a suit. It is important to look professional in an interview. Okay, that is not good energy. Good energy means your voice, 목소리, goes up and down, okay, and comes to the middle, like this, okay? For example, in my opinion, he ought to wear a suit. It is important to look professional in an interview. That's good energy, okay? So speak with feeling. Another tip for your videos is your speaking volume. Speak loudly and clearly, okay? Don't put your hands over your face, and do not wear a mask. Please don't wear a mask. Okay? So if, again, same sentence, and then we can read it two ways: having good volume or bad volume. Let's do with bad volume first. Ready? In my opinion, he ought to wear a suit. It is important to look professional in an interview. That is bad volume. It's too low. You should speak loudly and clearly like I am right now. In my opinion, he ought to wear a suit. It is important to look professional in an interview. That is good volume. Okay. Do not record your video in a noisy place. Okay? Very important. Record your video in a quiet place, like your bedroom. The time limit for your video is 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? This is very important. If you have under 1 minute, that is not good. Okay? So 5 minutes, no. Too long. 30 seconds, no. It's too short. Okay? Maybe 1 minute, 55 seconds, about 2 minutes, that's okay. 2.5 minutes is okay. All right? This is okay. So keep your time close to 1 or 2 minutes. Okay? Okay. You must upload your video to YouTube or Naver blog. Okay? Don't send me a file. No. Okay? You must upload your video and submit a URL, a link. This is very important. Okay? When you upload your video to YouTube, you can make your video unlisted. So no people will see your face or your video. Okay? Only me. So don't worry. Okay, so now let's look at an example presentation about this man here. Okay? And he will go to a job interview. So I will give him some advice. Before you make your video, first you will do your mind map. Okay? We made mind maps before for other assignments, so I don't think it's very difficult for you. Okay? So the first thing you will do is you will do your mind map, do this paper, and submit it to the assignments section in eClass. Okay? Here is an example of a mind map, I'm using this man as an example, okay? And you can see, here's a question. What is wrong with his fashion? Well, let's read the answer. He is wearing casual clothes. He is wearing faded jeans and a t-shirt. He is wearing a hat. He is not wearing professional clothes. Next question. What is wrong with his hygiene? Is he clean? Or, what should he do? Okay. He did not shave his beard. For a job interview, you should shave your beard. What advice can you give him about his fashion and hygiene? He should wear professional clothes. He ought to wear black pants and a button-up shirt. He had better not wear a hat. He should wear nice black shoes too. He could shave his beard. What should he wear to a job interview? He should wear a suit and a tie. He should wear nice shoes, and he should have a clean face. What should he do to prepare for a job interview? Okay. He had better practice answering interview questions at home. He should research. Okay, that's what that says right there. Research the company. So that is an example of a mind map. And now we will use the mind map to make a script. Okay, your script is the words that you will say in your video. Okay, so we can take all of this information and we can make a script with it. So here is an example. Okay, you need to have an introduction like this. Hello, today I'm going to give this man some fashion advice. He is going to an interview, but he is not wearing the correct outfit. Okay, this is the introduction. Okay, I'm going to write intro right there. That's the introduction. Okay, now I have, he is wearing casual clothes. He's wearing faded jeans and a t-shirt, a hat, and white shoes. Okay, so that's this information. He also has a beard. That's this information. He should make some changes. And next we have this information. He should wear professional clothes. He ought to wear black pants and a nice button-up shirt, and he had better not wear a hat. He should wear nice black shoes too. I think he could also shave his beard. Okay, that's all this information. Next, if you are going to an interview, you should wear professional clothes. He should wear a suit and tie, nice shoes, and have a clean face. That's this information. He had better practice answering interview questions about at home. He should read about the company or research the company. If he listens to my advice, I think he will get the job. And that's that information right there. So that is how you can use the mind map to make this script. All right. We already talked about the presentation skills that you will need. Okay, I gave you some tips. You need to have a clear and energetic voice. Good intonation, right? Don't sound like a robot. Use some note cards, but don't read, okay? Do not read your script in the video, okay? Don't hold your paper, don't look down, don't read. Pause in the correct places. Have eye contact. And use gestures, okay, when you speak. And of course, record in a quiet place. Not a cafe, not a norebang, okay? Quiet place. So I will give you an example of a presentation with good presentation skills. Ready? I'm going to read this. Here we go. Hello. Today, I'm going to give this man some fashion advice. He's going to an interview, but he's not wearing the correct outfit. He is wearing casual clothes. He's wearing faded jeans and a t-shirt, a hat, and white shoes. He also has a beard. He should make some changes. He should wear professional clothes. He ought to wear black pants and a nice button-up shirt. And he had better not wear a hat. He should wear nice black shoes, too. I think he could also shave his beard. If you are going to an interview, you should wear professional clothes. He should wear a suit and a tie, nice shoes, and have a clean face. He had better practice answering interview questions at home, and he should read about the company. If he listens to my advice, I think he will get the job. All right, so then your homework for this week, this video especially, is to complete the Language Task 3 Mind Map and Language Task 3 Script in the Assignments section. Now let's talk about absolute grading, okay? 절대 평가. It's very important to understand this. So let's talk about it. Now, so we will use absolute grading. Okay, there's no curve. So this means you will get a score based on your real grade. Okay, for example, if you have 92, that is an A0. Means I can't move the grade to A+. Can't. Sorry. All right, a 95 or higher is an A+. But the same is true for if you have an 83, that's a B0, and I can't move the grade to a B+. I'm sorry, but we are using absolute grading. So if you, let's say at the end of the semester, If you ask me, can you change my grade from A0 to an A+, I will say, I am sorry, I can't change your grade. Same. If you ask, can you change my grade from B0 to a B+, I'm sorry, I can't change your grade. Same. If you ask, can you change my grade from C0 to C+, I'm sorry, I can't change your grade. Okay, everyone, congratulations. We're finished with all of our lecture videos, okay? In week 15, next week, there is no lecture videos because that is for final exams, okay? If you have any questions, please send me a message, okay? You can send me a message on eClass or KakaoTalk is okay too. Please send me a message. I want to help you. I want to help you have a very good grade. Okay, it's very important to me and important to you. So please, if you have a problem, send me a message. Okay? All right, everyone. Good luck with your final exams. Good luck with my class. And I hope that you had a very good online semester. And maybe I'll see you again. Okay? Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.